In this episode of DevKit Weekly, I am talking to you about the Mitac MX2-10ADP. Hello, embedders, engineers, developers, and friends. Welcome to another episode of DevKit Weekly. Here in this very special episode and in this entire special series, we are at Embedded World 2025 on the show floor in our embedded computing design Dev Zone, a new feature of our booth where we are showcasing some of our favorite dev kits, boards, and products available in the embedded industry today. In this episode of DevKit Weekly, I am talking to you about the Mitac MX2-10ADP, and you need to know all about it, so check out the links in the description. But the important thing to know is that this is a rugged and fanless embedded system specifically designed to elevate machine vision applications in factory environments. It's resilient to temperature, it's good at vibration resistance, it is good at lots of things, and you should check that out in the description. While you're here, make sure you like this video, make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any of our content. Make sure that you check us out on LinkedIn and in all our social media places. Make sure that you're visiting embeddedcomputing.com for all the news that you need to know in the embedded industry. And thank you so much for watching DevKit Weekly. I'm Ken Briota, your host and your embedder-in-chief, and you're marvelous. We'll catch you next time on DevKit Weekly.